to protect you.
Oh, I like this.
With an unselfish love that respects you. Just call my name and I'll be there to comfort you. I feel my world, my dreams around you. You know I'm so glad I found you, yeah. I'll be there when I
Got
love
this?
goes wrong.
Nope, I got this.
I'll be your friend. You know I can Don't you know, baby, yeah, yeah. I'll be there. You know I'll be there. Just call my name and I'll be there. Don't you know, baby, yeah, yeah. I'll be there. You know I'll be there. Just call my name and I'll be
Looking over your show.
Thank you po.
Grabe, naalala ko sa kanya yung kabataan ko.
Ganyan din po yung boses niyo nung bata kayo.
Huwag ka na makialam. Huwag ka makialam.
Anong pangalan mo?
Francis po.
You are adorable.
Thank you po.
Unang bukas pa lang ng bibig mo, alam ko nang magaling na magaling tong batang ito. Di ako nagkamali nung umikot ako. Ba, may mas igagaling pa pala.
Let me just be perfectly honest. Sa umpisa, parang I'm like, not sure. Pero you just kept going, and you just kept going. And then one by one, they were turning. Parang yung confidence mo nag-grow. And then it's like, here's this big voice na, saan nang galing tong boses na to? And then, napaikot na ako. And then it's like, wow, this is just complete.
Ako, nahuli mo ako sa umpisa pa lang. I just want a little more. Yung kwento. Pag kumakanta ka, you have to bring me somewhere. And you brought me somewhere. So,
You made it your own? Sarili mong version yung kantang yan? Parang kang matanda ng kumanta. Napaka-tasteful ng kung paano mo binali yung kantang yan.
iba yung boses mo. Iba lang talaga. There's a certain quality that's very only Francis. Yun ang mga gusto ko na kasama sa Camp Kawayan.
Never heard a boy sing like that.
Thank you po.
Tatlo na lang kaming ganyan kagaling sa mundo. Yung isa, namatay pa. So, dalawa na lang kami.
Kaya lang, kailangan mo mamili.
Sino?
Ito pong pipiliin ko po. Simula po nung 3 years old po ako, ito na po yung idol ko po talaga. Ang pipiliin ko po na coach ay si Coach Sara po.
From the age of 3.
Yep.
Ay, Francis! Thank you very much. Ang galing-galing mo. Maraming salamat, ha. Talagang pagsisikapan natin ito. Okay, magtutulungan tayo, okay?
Apo.
Galing-galing mo, grabe. Appear.